The OAuth2 Exception Unauthorized Action error on Venmo has become increasingly common as the platform has strengthened its security measures. This error occurs when third-party applications are denied access to your Venmo account due to authorization failures. OAuth2 is an authorization framework that allows third-party applications to access your Venmo account without exposing your password. The user authorizes an app, which then makes API requests to Venmo on your behalf. Research shows that expired access tokens are the leading cause of this error, accounting for about 60% of all cases. Invalid client credentials, scope mismatches, rate limiting, and account status issues make up the remaining causes. Venmo has implemented several security enhancements over recent years. In 2023, they introduced stricter OAuth2 validation. 2024 brought shorter access token lifespans, reducing them to just 4 hours in many cases. 2025 has seen enhanced device authentication requirements. This flowchart illustrates how Venmo's authorization system makes decisions. The system checks multiple factors, including user roles, request purposes, and security contexts, before granting or denying access to third-party applications. Understanding the OAuth2 Exception Unauthorized Action error is crucial for anyone using third-party applications with Venmo. The error primarily stems from expired access tokens and Venmo's enhanced security measures. Recognizing these root causes is the first step toward maintaining reliable access to your Venmo account through authorized applications. Now that we understand what causes OAuth2 errors on Venmo, let's walk through the practical steps to fix these issues and maintain reliable access to your accounts. Step 1. Ensure your third-party applications are up to date. Outdated apps often use deprecated authentication methods that Venmo no longer supports. Step 2. Implement automatic token renewal. Access tokens expire regularly, and manual renewal is prone to errors. Set up your applications to refresh tokens automatically before they expire. Step 3. Verify application permissions and scopes. Many OAuth2 errors occur when applications request permissions they weren't granted, or when users haven't properly consented to required access levels. Step 4. Implement robust error handling. When OAuth2 errors occur, your application should handle them gracefully, provide clear error messages to users, and attempt automatic recovery when possible. Step 5. Establish long-term prevention strategies. Monitor your API usage to avoid rate limits. Stay updated with Venmo's developer announcements, and conduct regular security audits of your authentication flows. By following these 5 steps systematically, you can resolve most OAuth2 errors and maintain reliable access to Venmo through third-party applications. Remember that prevention is always better than reactive fixes.